5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 have in common? They belong to the same number family. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video we will understand a very important aspect of math, which is multiples. A number multiplied by another whole number, the product gives us the multiple of both those numbers. For example, if I am saying 2 times 7 is 14, then here 14 is a multiple of 2 and 7. Hence, these are all the multiples of 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and so on. And there can be infinite multiples of any number, because I can multiply 5 by 100, 1299, 1 million or 1 billion. So the number of factors are limited. As to which numbers multiplied, I am getting a multiple, but the number of multiples are just infinite. All those numbers which when multiplied 6 by another whole number, such as 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, and so on. If somebody is asking for the first 5 multiples, then you will be writing 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30. So these are just the first 5 multiples of 6, and finding the multiples of any number is pretty easy. You can either do a skip counting or keep adding the numbers and you can get the multiples. Now it's your turn. I want you to write only the even multiples of 11 and do mention your answers in the comments. Remember, maths gets easier only with practice. Happy learning. Wish you the best.